So in this Questrade tutorial video, I will be showing you guys how to buy fractional shares of an ETF here on the Questrade desktop version. So once Questrade's open up on your computer or on your laptop, what you have to do is select an ETF of your choice. Now, fractional shares don't quite work yet for like every single ETF. So, for example, if you wanted to purchase ticker symbol VFV, which is a popular Vanguard S&P 500 index fund here in Canada, it actually doesn't have fractional shares available, so you can't quite at this moment in time purchase fractional shares. Perhaps if you're watching this at a certain time, maybe it's available, but at this moment in time right now, it is not. So if you wanted to find another one, so let's just go ticker symbol VOO, which is a very popular ETF in the States. Same exact thing, but the US version. Fractional shares is in fact available. So if this fractional shares option is available, go to where it says buy and press on that. Make sure that market order is selected, and where it says total amount, you can type in the amount of dollars you're willing to spend on fractional shares. So if you wanted to purchase $2 worth of this stock, the quantity of that is 0.0041. You can press on the green review order option and then proceed with the transaction that way. So very straightforward, very simple. This is how to purchase or how to buy fractional shares on desktop through Questrade of an ETF. Thanks again for watching, and I will see you in the next one.